good destination, Super Nosa. It's a new day, yes, it is. Let's go. 1 second, guys. Today is the 19th of January. Let's go. Of 2021 have been great to us. Let's go. So, previously on last push up challenge, I did 22 push ups, and today, I'm gonna be doing, if you guys can see it, I'm gonna be doing 24 push-ups. Let's go, because the last video got 24 push-ups, so I'm gonna be doing 24 push-ups right now. Let's go. Yeah, 2 push-ups extra. We did well, guys. Thanks for watching the last video. So now, instead of doing the normal boring push-ups or the flying push-ups or stuff like that, I'm gonna try to do what's it called, handstand push-ups. Guys, I haven't done this for a while, so let's see if I can do maybe 1 or 2. After doing that, then I'm gonna just continue doing the normal push-ups. Let's go. Let me set up the camera. Okay, and let's see how many handstand push-ups I can do. Let's go. Okay, let me tuck it in so that my clothes won't start flying. By the way, I haven't been to the gym for a long period of time, so we're gonna see if I can do handstand push-ups. Okay, normally I'm gonna just do the cartwheel and land on my hand, but I don't think I can do that right now. Oh yeah, no, I'm gonna just do it. Okay, I hope I don't kick, guys. 1, 2, ready, go. So, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OMG, I did 5, so I'm gonna continue doing the rest. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24. OMG. That was breathtaking. I did it though. I did 5 handstand push-ups. Then I did the rest. Was 15. And I did 19 normal push-ups. Let's go. Guys, we can do better, man. So I'm gonna be trying to be changing it up instead of just doing normal push-ups and flying push-ups. Maybe next time I'm gonna do laying on the wall push-ups, Superman push-ups. Let's go, and leave a comment in the comment section what I should do next. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe. I'll see you guys definitely next time. Peace.